Yo, how we doing? Thursday's here. Let's get rid of that. I'm a bit flustered. My dog just knocked over my drink literally 30 seconds before fucking going live. All over important documents. Now he's sat looking miserable as fuck. Hope everyone's doing well anyway. Bit of an eventful pre-market. We've had some news about an hour ago. Unemployment claims, which actually were lower than expected, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, lower than expected. Hence the pump. I've had 2 trades this morning so far. At break even, 1 loss, 1 win. Pretty much the same trade. Tried to short the previous day value area high. This just got blasted straight through. And then took the retest as we dropped that back below. Which is, yeah, a nice little trade. Yeah, choppy London session as well. I missed that news, wondering where the rally come from yet. Yeah, 1:30 news, my time anyway. And yeah, we shot up from there. See, I'm not really sure on my thoughts today, to be honest. After this spike up, probably bullish, to be honest. Good news, markets had a little bit push up from it, but we'll play it by ear and we'll see. But I found it a difficult morning to trade. Levels are sort of being respected, but not amazingly. It's just really 2 levels that have been in play: previous day value area high and previous week value area high. Sort of bouncing between there. We'll start to break even. John London was trying for a short as well. Yeah, might have been for the best then, man. Okay, man. How we doing, mate? Oh, I'm boiling already, man. Spending all my money on resets. Oh, man. This shit, innit? This shit. I think I might have said this to you before, but maybe just try scale right down, and then at least you're even if you're just paying one monthly subscription for one account, at least you're hopefully you shouldn't be blowing it within that month. Do you know what I mean? And then you just get more time to practice on a test account rather than and it costing you as little money as possible. Because yeah, when you get into the realm of resets, that's when it gets it can get really shit, can't it? But yeah, I've been alright though, mate. I've been alright. Break-even day so far. Hopefully we get into a trade this afternoon, get a nice winning. If you can hear any chamming, that's my dog licking his dick, so just excuse that. You're not wrong, yeah, just trying to think of a way, yeah, to sort of you can continue sort of doing tests then, but it's costing you less, do you know what I mean? Because yeah, resets can get expensive. It's meant to shift the live accounts. Yeah, no, I get that. Lucky dog. No, I get that. I mean, when you get onto the live, you should definitely be scaling down. You should be halving your risk, I think, at least. I don't know if you are or not, but scale right down and yeah, don't think of it as in a time scale. You've got to get a payout by a set time just before open. Think of it as like almost like a personal account. Just slowly build it up. It doesn't cost you anything. Go down to a monetary value that you don't care about taking a loss on, and then that will hopefully ease on the emotions. You know what I mean? Because if you take a $50 loss, not the end of the world, is it? But earnings this morning, but hopefully they're still back in decent time. London overnight was crazy. Yeah, it was a bit of a run up, but then as soon as London opened, it just chopped around really. Not a lot really happened, did it? I haven't even looked at Nasdaq today. Oh, Nasdaq was a little bit more eventful. More of a slow grind down on Nasdaq, wasn't it? Right, should we dish out a quick poll? I haven't done that yet. By the way, guys, I've turned on ultra fast latency or something like that, so there should be less of a delay, which means we can talk a bit quicker. I don't know how it would go quality wise. If there's any issues with quality, if it's like worse quality than normal, then let me know if you can. But yeah, it should be more up to date. Right, bias for session. Yeah, I think normally it's about a 10-second delay. I don't know how much of a delay this will be. Right, same thing that blessed me yesterday screwed me. I thought I'd switched to micro, so I went risk 300 on my 50. Was using minis, so maybe lose 3,000. Jesus, in one candle. Fuck. 74 point candle. Jesus, man. Was that wasn't on your the account that you nearly passed on, was you? You have TradeZilla, right? Or was it something else? Yes, TradeZilla. Only recently started using that, and mate, it's fucking quality. I've always used FX Replay. I've never paid for FX Replay, or I have maybe once or twice by accident, but I always do the free trials. Because I don't think it's worth the money, but I honestly think TradeZilla is actually worth the money. I'm happy to pay it because it's, yeah. I think it can definitely help with like improving as a trader. Just the being able to add your playbooks and assign different trades to different strategies and stuff like that. Yeah, quality, man. I since deleted NQ off my Tradeify. I don't blame you. Oh man. Yeah, I think my bias is long, guys, today. See how we play in the next couple of minutes, but I'm leaning towards long. And that was on the 2 new 50k accounts. Location amount is minus 2,000, but the candle was so fast so actually let me go to minus 3,000. Jesus. Oh, at least it wasn't on the one that you made progress on. It was a more expensive account, but at least it was one that you'd made decent wasn't the one that you made decent progress on. Always wanted to use it, but I'm a massive cheapskate. Yeah, no, I get that. But I'm exactly the same. I've always been honestly, I've made up possibly 15 emails to get the freebie, the free 7-day trial on FX Replay. If you don't know and you want to do back testing, yeah, you can do FX Replay, let you do 7-day free trial for new customers. So you just create a new email every time. But yeah, it's a bit glitchy, FX Replay. If that's someone pass them today, most likely yes, Taco. That's the attitude to have, mate. Positive vibes. Be patient. Wait for it to come to you. Did you use your code to get 2 more 25Ks? Nice, Taco. Cheers, mate. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. You got the basic or premium. I started with the basic and I went to premium. I think I originally went to premium because I wanted the seconds time frames. Just because I feel like it's a bit on the basic, you only get it's 1 minute bars, which I find can be a little bit annoying when you're entering. Sometimes it's nice to see every single second, every single tick. Do you know what I mean? To sort of, because you might enter halfway through 1 minute reversal bar. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I originally went for the upgraded to the premium. But you get a set amount of playbook. Let me get up. You get a set amount of playbooks on the basic. I'm gonna have to log out and to see the pricing. Trades that are. So you can create up to 3 playbooks on the basic plan, which is basically 3 strategies. The premium one you get unlimited, and I've got fucking shitloads. Let me find it. Playbooks. These are all my strategies. But basically what I wanted to do, this is all my volume profile strategies. Basically every single way you can play the volume profile stuff broken down individually. So then when I'm back testing, I can see exactly what plays work and what plays don't. Completely unnecessary. But so I've got like previous week point of control, previous day point of control. I've got previous day value area, external. Basically meaning that you play in the say this is a value area high here, but you play in the Is it coming down and playing it away from it, or are you playing the internal value area sort of things? Like just basically every single possible setup you can have, just so I can see what works and what doesn't. But yeah, totally unnecessary. But yeah, once I've done a load of back testing that I'm happy with, I'll go back down to the basic just to track your stats and stuff. I think tracking your stats is fine on the basic. So you can only have one account, but again, that should be fine. Wait, mate, surely you'd be the 1% in making profit. Well, yeah, maybe. But it's just handy for me because like there's so many different ways to play the volume profile. Like you can play break and retest, so you can play breakout of the value area current day and retest. You can play the breakout of the area previous day, retest. Do you know what I mean? Like I wouldn't know what works, what doesn't. And then I can just not do some of it, you know what I mean? Or do all of it, whatever works. And like I said, when you're back testing, you can literally be doing one back testing session, so you could do a year of back testing. And literally every single trade you can say, right, this trade was previous day put in control play. And just literally tick box, say that was, link that trade to this strategy. And then the next trade you take might be previous week value area external. You can then link the next trade to that strategy. And then you can then go to your playbooks. Let me get my head out of the way. You go to this screen on your playbooks and see exactly how each one is performing, do you know what I mean? You've got win rate at the end. Let me go to my my back testing because it's a bit better. A bit better results on there. I've only done 2 weeks of this. Where's it all gone? There we go. So you got the calendar, trade time performance, to see what time you perform the best. And then yeah, you can go to playbooks on back testing, so they're separated via back testing and your normal ones. And yeah, you can see how each one performs. It tells you best performing strategy, least performing strategy, best win rate. And yeah, you've got the win rates on the side, how much profit is made, blah 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 blah. So yeah, like on FX replay, I don't know about anyone else, I used to do a different back testing session per strategy, which fucking takes so long, man. Like so long. But at least this, you can do like one long session of like the whole of 2024, and just every single, you can trade various strategies and link every single one to every single trade, and you can do one session in one go kind of thing. So much easier. Honestly, you'd think I'm setting a trade seller. But it's that good. I'm well impressed by it. Can't believe I didn't find it a year ago, to be honest. Whoa, they what? You cracked put them funders yet? Cracked put them funders? No, mate, I haven't touched the funders this week. Not touched the funders this week. What's preferred time? Do you prefer minis or micros? I've always traded micros. I have very literally just this week gone over to minis because I've started trading ES instead of Nasdaq. And yeah, I'm doing 1 to 2 contract plays, and I'm looking for very small point moves, so it makes more sense to be on the minis rather than the micros. But yeah, I've always preferred micros. Gives you, depends on how you are as a trader, but just gives you more flexibility, doesn't it? Just make 500 on that day, open NQ retest, done for the day. Nice ward, man, nice. Book me some errands and drive them back later though. See you later, Attacker, mate. Take it easy, man. Nathan, yo, how you doing? Alright, what are we doing then? What are we doing? So we're pushing up. Let's end this poll. Leo, good morning. Quick update for everyone who's just joined. I am at break even today. 2 trades. 1 loss, 1 win. Basically the same trade. Trying to sell the previous day value or high. Broke through this morning. As we've come back down, I shorted the retest. Got a nice little win before we moved up, so cannot complain really. So I should be buying on that 0.750. There'll be more opportunities, Leo. There'll be more opportunities. Yeah, lovely little buy that one. That lovely little buy. Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't mind buying the retest of current week value or high. Sitting at 314. Yeah, see what occurs in the next couple of minutes. I've been trying to wait half an hour. So it could be a bit of a premature trade actually. Yeah, I might just practice trade it if we get it. 324 if we push up. Yes, that's that little wedge that you marked out earlier, wasn't it? That you sent over earlier. 324, yeah. Yeah, that would be the take profit if I was longing from here. We're looking for some. I've got nothing in between. The only thing I was looking for is logging on the retest of the current week value or high, which is 314. Basically current day value or high as well. Just thought it might push out without it though anyway. I was considering it, but I sort of have a little rule that I'm not trading the first 30 minutes, so if I was going to take it, I'll just take it on the practice account. $175 because all the support over the last couple of hours. I mean, it was I mean, Ward bought it because of it was a day open, Asia open, 75. Leo probably wanted to buy it because of the EMA, I assume. Or the wicks that we've had as well previously, or the rejections we've had. I haven't been looking at Nasdaq, so I was oblivious to it. Oh, the 631 level as well as the supply there. Plus that zone I showed you earlier. Wait for what comes, bro, yet. Yeah, 310 might be ideal. Wait for the 4-hour close? Not particularly. I just like to wait sort of a good half an hour to markets calm down a little bit after the open. It's not something I've normally ever done, but I'm sort of trialing a new strategy and sort of works off levels, and levels can be blasted through when it's a bit volatile, can't it? So what's an EMA? Open 200 EMA, Fibonacci, all the bells and whistles. London low. I don't think we've got any other news to worry about today, really. Business inventories at 10. It's only yellow folder, so it shouldn't have too much of an impact. We're just about to tap into that level. Go with FOMO watching this rally. Oh. Yeah, I like the idea from a short from around this area. I would like the price to have gone up a little bit more, but Favorite ice cream? Go vanilla. Nice and boring. What about you, K-Man? I'm the most boring cunt you'll ever meet. Basic, man. I like things plain. Not fancy. Salted caramel, Ward, man. Ward. Salted caramel's right, to be fair. Nothing beats vanilla. Like a fluffy cloud. Vanilla is hospital flavour. But I've got a little hack that I always do with just basic scoop ice cream, right? Get a shitload of it in your bowl, and then get your arm out and whisk it to fuck. Whisk the shit out of it, and it eventually goes up Mr. Whippy, banging. That's how I have all my ice cream now. Sometimes it's tough, I get it. Yeah, I can't afford Mr. Whippies, I have to make my own with my arm. You were trading full time? No, mate. I work part time as well. Eventually full time, hopefully. I'll get you a 99 when we meet up. Cheers, mate. I need it. Appreciate that. Wait, everyone does that, do they? I thought it was just me. I thought I'd come across something new. The annoying thing is my missus likes it as well, so I have to do her bowl at the same time as mine. You have to beat her off too. Yeah, mate. Can unbeat herself off. We used to say that we used to made ice cream. My brother used to do that as kids. Yeah, I mean, maybe that's the problem. I've never grown up, obviously. Still like my cream beaten. I was going to short it, that would have been the place to short, I think. I just don't know if I want to or not. I don't know if I like it. I've shorted on the practice account. Oh, it's bloody boiling in there. Need some ice cream right now, actually. It'd be nice. I've actually got some jubblies in the freezer, which is literally right there. I haven't got anything to open it with. It's a shame. I normally have my knife up here, but I think it's downstairs now. Hold on. Let's have one hence the chat. Actually, the missus is due back in 2 minutes. I just heard the door. Bring up scissors. She's already come upstairs. Can't spell jubbly for some reason. Literally tap the end of that node. I think had a quick push up, then a drop. Yeah. I was having an hour in it, Ward, but I think that the trade would have been the tap and the sell off. I think. Which I wasn't quick enough for, and also it's not something I back tested. I literally have just taken it because you said about taking it, so it's not really a trade I should have been taking. I'm in it on the practice account, but I'm in drawdown at the minute. I wouldn't mind a little pullback potentially. I don't know if we pull back, is that the high of the day, or are we is it going to be just a pullback briefly? I found today quite difficult, to be honest. I found the my trade idea is quite difficult. Normally I feel like it's quite clear, but I feel like it's been quite messy today. Level hasn't hit yet, but yeah, I'm just going off the node. You get me one up. They were talking about ice cream on there, now I want one. The blueberry one. No, thank you. The blueberry flavour of these was well nice, by the way, guys. Potential pullback incoming on NQ. Let's have a look. Yeah, we got the little pullback, didn't we? Still holding up quite strong on ES. Get your wife on. Hi, Mr. Sam. No, it'd be our worst nightmare. You're taking a lot of info. Just gonna get a bit of haywire, yeah. Yeah, that's it, mate. That's it. Need to focus on one thing at a time. Give us a wave. Clippers are banging up, been bashing them recently. Yeah, Clippers are decent, mate. They're OG, man. I used to have them all the time. What's your stop loss on this trade? 326. Up there. So which is just above where that node sort of ends, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, it's. I was unsure about it because I haven't been trading nodes. I've been trading the levels. Do you know what I mean? Point of control, value, or high, low, that sort of stuff. So, which I know is essentially nodes anyway, but yeah, it just threw me off a little bit and didn't want to take it. Clippers gone wild. I love them things. Yeah, man, they're quality. Orange flavour is my favourite. I'm gonna try not to slap in the mic. And wait for levels to hit before you start noding. Then allow nodes into your life. Yeah, that's it, mate. I've got to start at the basics and work my way up. And like I said, the only reason I would have taken that trade is because you were saying about it, which isn't. I should be coming to trade ideas by myself, not because someone else has said about it. So, if you hadn't mentioned it, I wouldn't even notice a node that was there, to be honest. It's alright for a practice trade, but yeah, not for one to be taken on the test account. I'm liking the idea more now because point of control is just flipped up here, isn't it? Which means, yeah, volume is accumulating. I always like that for a reversal. Strong push up, big little accumulation, see all the load of volume build up, and then a sell off. I've always like that. For the actual hits of levels. Yeah, no, I get that. Listen, bro, to be honest, my trading has been great since helping you out, has it? Sometimes you can treat it as a hobby, yeah. I suppose, yeah, I suppose you've been going back to basics yourself, like having to go through it in your head to obviously spell out to me word by word. Which then in turn might have, yeah, helped you, man. Oh, that's good. One thing I have started doing on the backtesting board is on like the bigger levels, on the like the weekly previous week point of control or the previous week value or high low, etc. I've been having a look, and if there is a node there with that level, marking out like a box around the level, just as like if we get like a tap into it and then like a big rejection off of it, look to went on the 0.5 rather than waiting for it to actually hit the level itself, because we don't always hit it. But if we've hit the node, should be good enough, do you know what I mean? Especially on the bigger time frame levels, the weekly ones and stuff. They say teaching something helps you master it. Yeah, I'm not surprised, to be honest. Yeah, you find the bigger the level, it can become a zone. That's why the entry trigger is nice, yeah. Yeah, because you're never going to, not always going to get a tap. It's always going to be front run sometimes, isn't it? No, this spot reminds me of Sunny Boy, which has been discontinued in Oz. Let's have a look at that, Sunny Boy. Yeah, here they're called, I think originally they were called Jubblies. I think it was just maybe the brand that started them. But I think this is just a Asda's basic Mr. Freeze. Oh. I've come up with a boy band. Sunny Boy's Ice Block. Yeah. It's pretty much the same thing by the looks of it. It's bizarre, you wouldn't think it would be a nice shape to put in your mouth, but it actually fits quite nicely. Well, that's take profit hit on that practice trade. Nice. I learned from someone, so may as well share. But yeah, skills have got to be passed on in life, haven't they? So I appreciate all you've been doing for me, Ward, mate. It's been massively helpful. The cola one was amazing as a kid. Oh, mate, I can't bear cola flavoured stuff. I don't mind cola bottles like the Haribos, but like ice cream and that, nah. That's what she said. I was waiting for that. Ward, I got another week done on the back testing in Feb. say, another good week. Banging week, actually. Doing that, doubling the risk up on the second winning, second trade has made a big difference, I think. Like this is a 1.5k day, which would have been, what, a 1k day for winning trades. Yeah, it's been good. If we can hold this level here, I don't mind the idea of a long from here. I'll wait for this candle close though. This chat gets more delayed as the day goes on. My phone lines don't hit as hard 5 minutes later, does it? Mate, I've changed the settings today. It should be the quickest I can get it, the less delayed, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's on ultra low latency. So it should be like not instant, but maybe like literally a second or two behind. You've also got to bear in mind I'm a slow reader and it takes me a little while to catch up with chat. Right, along. Off current day point of, current week point of control. Feel like I'm very heavy though. I've got my bracket orders set up now to literally be my exact risk every time. If I'm just risking one contract on, like, say, New York session, should be 250 risk every time, which is cool. Show your Windows clock or something so we can see the delay. Then shows your credit card number. Hang on. It's annoying though, it's cut off slightly because there's a clock right up here. Right, let me go to the 1 minute chart, okay man. We are just started the 3:25 minute candle. $30 seconds left on this bar. How up to date is it? Yeah, same candle. Oh, nice. So it's just my slow reading then, that's the issue. 4 or 5 seconds for me. That's pretty good considering you're literally across the other side of the world, sorry. You're literally the other side of the world and it's a few second delay. Is the quality still alright, guys, is it? That's good, that's good. Must just be a reading, yeah. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing. Future value or higher trade. Yes, I limit ordered in because it was current week point of control as well, so went straight in for the limit on the point of controls. We've got a favourable entry here. Come on, we've got to come back for a retap of today's point of control, surely. I apologise if I'm turning anyone on. Eat my isolate. Can't be helped. Lick, lick. Can't be very high, slowing it, is it? Yes, it is, isn't it? So I mean, it's messy, man. There's a lot of levels all close together. I don't like it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Nice. Up on the day then. Perfect. I was getting a bit worried then when we started coming back. Where you put the whole thing in your gob and all 9 people here give you a thumbs up. Well, everyone gives me a thumbs up, then watches me choke to death. Live on the internet. Gold went crazy after the open. I haven't checked gold today, man. With a trade, bro. We're up to 250 on the day. Should be down here, yeah, 250 on the day. Happy with that. So yeah, 3 trades then today, two winners, 1 loser. Oh, yeah, gold's going a bit mental, isn't it? Be happy with that. Like and subscribe for that, mate. Yeah, I'm having an alright week. What am I up to on the week? Maybe resync this. $624 on the week. Best week I've had in a while. I mean, there's still Friday yet, but still Friday to ruin it. But hopefully we keep it going. Yeah, last month was poor. So yeah, this is all the trades on this test account. So yeah, that's just been going in a while, which is yeah, banging. Not quite out of drawdown yet. $250 down on the account, but that's fine. We can slowly build it back up, can't we? No news tomorrow, should be nice and chill. Yeah, we've got the usual Friday news. I always forget what it's called. Something sentiment, isn't it? Consumer sentiment. I always get a bit unsure on that news. Sometimes it has zero fucking impact, then other times it's a big bar kind of impact day. But so yeah, that at 10 AM. But other than that, should be a chilled day, chilled Friday. Nice man, getting into a rhythm. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm being patient. I'm waiting for the setups I'm happy with. Like today could have been a day where I could have quite easily got chopped up trying to trade, because there's been quite a few levels all in quite a small area, and I could have quite easily tried to trade them all. I think there was one trade that I probably should have taken, but I didn't take. But other than that, I've been pretty patient and waiting. I just haven't been liking it today. Haven't been liking it, but I'm glad I've been patient and waited. That's what trading's about, innit, at the end of the day. Not bad though, making $250 all while eating an ice cream. Ice lolly. Yes, hopefully on the up anyway. Hopefully on the up. But I'm definitely enjoying this strategy as well. I mean, strategies are a lot more enjoyable when you're when they're profitable, aren't they? If you're losing money, they're not quite as enjoyable. Yeah, it suits my kind of style, I think. I'm liking the quick in and out as well. The less time I'm in a trade, the better. But I think, boys and girls, I'm going to call it a day there. 3 trades taken today. I'm up in the green now. I don't want to give that away. I'll just open that nice, clean and quick. Yeah, that's it, mate. That's it. That's what's nice about it. Have a good rest of the day, mate. Yeah, see you later, okay, man. Yeah, I'll take it easy, everyone. Yeah, back tomorrow, normal time. Don't think there's anything going on tomorrow. Yeah, should be normal time tomorrow. Fingers crossed. End the week green for the first time in a fucking while. And then all being well this week, I might take this onto the fundeds as well next week, which could be fun. Could be fun. Yeah, see you all tomorrow. Cheers for stopping by. Take it easy if you're still trading. And yeah, cheers for stopping by. Appreciate you all. See you later.